Hello everybody, this is Vlada from VLADA'S Place. This short video is a sneak peek of a footage we will share later in one of our episodes. I'm visiting the first European settlement in New Zealand located in the North Island. This is New Zealand's first port, and also initially this was its first capital. The little town is located in a bay of islands with a rich Maori history and a beautiful nature. Kiwi birds are just one of many natural treasures. Visitors today can enjoy these beautifully framed beaches, these overgrown trees, nice architecture, and stunning nature. I'm truly looking forward to sharing with you all the snippets from this unique little place called Russell. So for those of you who are not following us yet, consider subscribing and watch out for the future episodes of Cooking and Kids. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you soon.